everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Starting with my first project, I will be using this Family Dollar Tree sign with this wood piece, which I also found at Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by carefully removing the string and using some white chalk paint with a sponge paintbrush. Now I'm only painting like the top part. I tried not to paint the sides. I did paint the piece of wood white, but I didn't use this one. Instead I painted another piece of wood that I had with the Waverly Antique Wax, and this is what I used instead. Now I'm going to simply put the family sign using only hot glue. I do recommend you using like a heavier duty glue. And then to decorate this a little more, I use a piece of greenery, and that is it. Look how beautiful this tabletop decor sign turned out. For my next project, I will be using another piece of wood and this family wood sign that I also got from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to paint the piece of wood with the Waverly Antique Wax, and for the family sign, now these I will be painting different colors. The L and the A, I will be painting it with the white chalk paint, and the M with the Y with the Waverly Antique Wax. And for the I and the F, I will be using some scrapbooking paper. Now I'm going to glue the Jenga blocks, and then I'm going to glue one by one of the little houses. Now the Jenga blocks, as you can see, it is for support. And that is it for this family sign. Look how cute this turned out. Dollar Tree also carries a gather sign that you can do this with. For my next project, I will be using this house and this piece of wood. Both of these are from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to decorate the little house with a Dollar Tree wood sign, which I already had. I'm reusing this. I had painted it white, and I'm going to add it to the bottom of the house. Now for the piece of wood, I did paint it white. And to decorate the little house a little more, I added this wreath, which I got from the Dollar Spot from Target. So to cover the hole at the top, I will be adding some jute twine. For this next step, you can use the Dollar Tree Jenga blocks, but I already had this piece and I added this for extra support. But that is it for this little cute house. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I will be using this wood circle that I got from the Dollar Tree and this piece of wood that I got from Ace Hardware, but you can use the Dollar Tree wood planks that I've been using, or you can even use paint stir sticks for this. I will be cutting 2 pieces to add one to the top and one to the bottom. I will be painting the wood circle with some chalk paint, but I do end up adding a little bit of water. Now for the pieces of wood, I used the Waverly Antique Wax. So for this wood sign, you can literally add anything you want to this. You can use your Cricut, you can use the Dollar Tree stickers, you can even use the Dollar Tree wood pieces like I am. I'm actually using one from Hobby Lobby. That's where I got the welcome sign, and for the home sign, it is from Dollar Tree. I added the wood pieces, and before I add the other one, I do end up adding the hanger, leaving a space in between. That is where I'm going to add the welcome home wood signs. And look how beautiful this looks. Now to finish this off, I added some of the Dollar Tree boxwood greenery. I tied 2 pieces together, glued it at the top, made a bow, and added in the center. But look how beautiful this turned out. And that is it for these cute and easy projects. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, bye.